Hey there, welcome back and thanks for joining me. All my supplies and equipment are down in the description box below. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified when new videos come out, hit that notification bell. And likes, comments, and questions are always welcomed. I like hearing from y'all. So in the last, I did this. You know, it's okay. I like it, but I learned a lot more from it than I thought I would. So, which brings me to, I just want to do a white flower. So let's see what that ends up looking like. I'm gonna let it come over the edges like it will. I'm gonna do one here, and let that be that. Got the Tim Holtz blowing tool, and let's go. And I'm just doing like a drop. I'm not doing a lot. I want it to kind of, oh, and I've got a piece of paper between this and the pages. I'm gonna keep going to the same spot again. Ooh. Jeez Louise. I may have put one there. I don't know about y'all, but being a fish out of water is like a little nerve-wracking for me. I ignored these. I'm just using Blanco. And I'm letting them be a little spidery on the end just because I'm thinking I'm kind of liking that. Okay. Oh, that's definitely interesting. All right, let's do this side. All right. Whew. And I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I may just try to smudge some black paint on it because I really just don't want it. I'm going to do this one a little bit more, apparently right there. Really want to move it to here, so. I want this one to be a little bit bigger, more like that. There we go. Okay, I do really like this. I do. Mine's not plugged up. I do like that. I will be honest, I really want to put some splatters on it. I do want to clean that up. This is how I'm going to do it. This is what I think I'm going to do. Just very little. Just kind of rub it in like a stain. I mean, once it dries, you don't see it. So there you go. That problem's fixed. I do want to splatter. I think. Let me look. When you're not sure about something, look in your camera. It puts it far enough away and you get a little different look out on it. But I do want to put some splatter. So let me get some water. Okay, I like to splatter with a liner brush. It just seems to flick it, and it kind of, I don't want it just a even sprinkle. I want slings of it. So we'll do that. We'll put it in this acrylic and get it watered down pretty good. Oh, let me see. Yep, I think that'd be good. I love that. I do. I love it. Okay. I wasn't sure, but I'm glad I did. I like that. It kind of gives it that. And I'm going to leave it. I am not even going to do anything else to it. I'm loving that part. let me know what you think. This is the first time I've done like that. Like, it's the first time I've done this. What do you think? Now I will put Mod Podge on top of this. That's going to kind of seal it and keep it from scratching off as bad. I'm going to say Mod Podge may scratch anyway, but definitely this is going to, it needs to be sealed. Okay, well, I hope you had some fun watching this and gave you some good ideas. Now, y'all go have fun.